Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to delete your Pinterest account on Android. Whether you're done with the app or just want a fresh start, this process is pretty straightforward. Let's jump in. All right, first thing, open the Pinterest app on your Android phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Now, tap on your icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap the profile icon at the top left to open your account menu. Okay, there you should see multiple settings related to your account and a bunch of options here for managing your profile and privacy. Here's the thing, you should also find Account Management under the Settings section. Tap on that. Now you'll see options like Deactivate Account or Delete Your Data and Account. If you just want to take a break, you can choose Deactivate Account, which temporarily hides your profile. But if you want to permanently delete everything, tap on Delete Your Data and Account or Permanently Delete Account. Pinterest will ask you to confirm, so tap on Continue or Confirm, and you'll need to choose your reason for deletion. Choose whichever fits your reason and then click Continue again. Pinterest will then send you an email for the confirmation. Just go to your Gmail app and open up the email. Then click on the Yes Delete Account button, and your account will be deleted. Follow the prompts if required. Keep in mind that once you confirm, all your pins, boards, and followers will be permanently deleted after 7 days. And that's it. Your Pinterest account is now scheduled for deletion. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.